Montage, a family of yours.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Cudi here with a brand new video. Today, guys, as you see by the title of the video, I'm going to be making a cool, smooth, and super short 2D text tutorial. 2D neon text, if you want to call that tutorial, whatever you want to call it, name whatever the title says. But first and foremost, the timestamp of the tutorial will be in the screen right now. So if you guys want to go check it out, go for it. This is the time where the tutorial starts. This first half, I'm just going to talk about some things that I need to talk about. So one of the first things being is I first want to apologize for the lack of consistency and uploads within my YouTube channel. If in case you guys do not follow me on my social media such as Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, whatever the case may be sure to follow me on those social medias. What happened this past few weeks is I got copyright strike for all my reaction videos that I used to upload on YouTube, and all of just those live streams that I would do as well on top of that too. All of them got copyright striked. I got like 2 copyright strikes under my belt right now for my YouTube channel, and one more, and my channel is gonna be terminated if that continues to be. So that is the main reason why I haven't uploaded and why I haven't been able to live stream as a whole, is because the reaction videos to me reacting to your edits got me copyright strikes, which is insane, man. But enough of that bad news. From this point out, I will be making reaction live videos on Twitch. Be sure to follow me on my Twitch channel. Go down there, follow me on there, and have notifications enabled as well too. Be sure to follow me on my social media so you guys know what's going on with them in my YouTube channel besides me posting. But yeah, that is the main reason why, and I just wanted to apologize ahead of time why I haven't been able to upload as a whole. I also did want to mention that the clips are available for the 20K subscriber montage. I know I was kind of hesitant on kind of releasing those, but they're available now. Go to the description down below, click on the part 2 link right there, and you can see all of the clips there. You guys are more than welcome to use all those clips. Those are submitted by you guys. If you guys haven't already, be sure to submit your clips so that we can continue to make a cool freaking montage here. Whoever edits the best montage from those clips will go up on my YouTube channel. So be sure to go for the challenge. And yeah, I hope you guys kill it. I can't wait to see all of you guys' responses. Make sure you use the hashtag on your video so I can pull it up and I can see it there. But yeah, other than that, let's go straight into the tutorial. So if you guys haven't already, be sure to subscribe, have notifications enabled so you're pretty much aware whenever I upload an edit, montage, or a tutorial. I'll continue to do more tutorials as time goes on. I just need you guys to recommend what type of tutorial you guys want. This was a highly requested tutorial, so I'm going to make it a reality. So first things first, what I want you guys to do is to be sure to have the plugin Saber installed. It's completely free. It's on the Video Copilot website. You can go to videocopilot.com, go to Saber, download that plugin. It's completely free, you guys. So make sure you guys have that down. It's a really cool plugin. Once you guys do that, go ahead and launch your After Effects. And what I want you guys to do is create a new composition, just like I'm doing right now. So I'm going to create a new composition here. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to click on File, Import File, and click File again, and I'm gonna drag in a cinematic. Okay, so I'm gonna pretend like I'm gonna do a cinematic right now. Pretty much, you usually already have this all set and done, but I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this cinematic here. I'm gonna drag it over to this little kind of square right here. This is gonna create a new composition, and I'm gonna go into the point in time where I want the video to start, or I guess the cinematic to start. Okay, so I want the cinematic to start right around, I think that would be the perfect spot. Perfect. So I want the video to start here, and I want it to end right around here. Let's just say I want it to end right here. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is literally just go ahead and grab these little time things here, I guess these 2 knobs, and I'm gonna put it to point in times where I want the video to start and to end. Right click on it, and you go to trim comp to work area. So now it's just to that specific area. I'm gonna put my resolution at half so I can kind of render this out, hopefully, if it doesn't want to crash on me. But what we're gonna do is super simple. If you want to know how to make the text, I'm not gonna motion track it for the sake of the tutorial. I'm just gonna show you how you make the text as a whole. So pretty much all you're gonna do, this is your cinematic, right? I want you to click on this text layer up here, right? Just click on text layer, and I want you to click on your screen, and I want you to put whatever you want. For the sake of the video, I'll just put Cudi, and I'll capitalize all of it, CudiEdits. Okay, so now you can see that's my text. Usually I make my text a little bit bigger by clicking on it and going to the text bar here, the character tab here, and by dragging that up. That makes my text somewhat bigger. And there you go, voila, a lot bigger already. So once you have your text that you want, right, what I want you to do is click on Layer, New, Solid Layer, and then click OK. Make sure it's black if you want, doesn't really matter. Go to the Effects and Presets tab, let that load up, obviously. Okay, so now that we have that loaded up, we're gonna go ahead and search for Saber. first one already, Video Copilot. I'm gonna drag that over to my layer, my black solid. If not, you can go to the effects and presets and go through there, or the effects tab, and voila. So you can see we already have this weird white line. Okay, we're gonna try to make it so it goes to the text layer and not just like this weird white line. Okay, so go ahead, go to customize core. This is where you can change your text layer and where it goes and stuff like that. So we're gonna go from Saber to text layer by clicking on core type, and you see text layer here. Click to where it says none. Click on that and click on CudiEdits, or whatever you named yours to be. As you can see already, it's already going to the text layer. Now we just gotta turn down the glow intensity, probably the spread, and the coarse size. So let's go ahead and turn down the glow intensity. It's at 50 right now. Let's go drag it down to a reasonable size. So maybe there would be probably good. I think that's about it. I think that's pretty good. And we can change the glow color as well too, which is really cool. Click on that. I'm gonna probably change it to a purple kind of feel to it. I'll probably put the glow spread just a little bit down, or if not, I'll probably mess with the glow bias. There you go. Glow bias, you can see like it makes it even brighter. I'm gonna turn it down just around right there. So at the moment, my glow intensity is at 9.0, my glow spread's at 0.5, my glow bias at 0.42, and my core size is at 3.0. At this point, all I'm gonna simply do is click on the render settings right here on this tab right here. Click on that little arrow to drop down, and you can see composite settings. It says black at the moment. I want you to click on that and put transparent. So that makes the background transparent, so it's not affecting it. And then at this point, you already have your 2D neon text. You can keep this layer on. It has some sort of background. You can see it. If I disable it, it looks a lot better in my opinion. But it's really up to you if you want to enable or disable your text layer. But for now, your black solid is going to be your text layer, and as you can see, we already have the 2D neon text. It's super simple to do. And yeah, that's pretty much it, man. That's literally how you make your 2D neon text. It's super simple. If you want to mess with it, you can click on this layer and drag it around and put it somewhere like maybe in a corner, and you can go to the character tab and drag it down to make it just a nice perfect size. You can mess with it, how big it is. You can go like this, whatever, mess with it, do whatever, do as you please. And that's literally your 2D text. It's super simple. It's really nice. The Saber plugin does a lot for you. You can do more than just a 2D neon text. You can also go ahead and click on the preset tab up here and click on, there's one for neon already as a whole. If not, so you can see it gives like a neon type of feel to it already. You can see, so let me make this bigger actually, so you guys can see it a little bit more better. So let's go ahead and disable. So you can see it gives you that neon type of feel. You can add the glow intensity, give it some more of a glow, and voila, that's it. So you can put the preset to neon and mess with the glow intensity. One of my favorite things to do is go click on cellular, which is a really cool one, and by messing with the glow intensity on that one and just kind of having it kind of have like a cool little flowy vibe to it, and probably turn down the glow spread just a tad bit so it's not too crazy. Or I'm actually increasing it so it's a little bit more better actually. That's pretty cool. But yeah, you can mess with pretty much the Saber settings. Saber is a really cool plugin. You can do other different stuff as well too. You can do like nebula, you can do a portal, you can do solar wave, you can do fog, you can do fire if you want to create a cool fire one, which is really cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you make your 2D text, quote unquote 2D text. It's really simple on how to make this 2D text. It's not that hard whatsoever to make this 2D text. For motion tracking, it is a little bit more different, but that is its own separate tutorial. If you guys want me to show you guys how I motion track my text, 2D text and 3D text, leave a like, comment down below. Make sure you have your notifications enabled for this channel so you guys are notified whenever I upload. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, smash the like button. Comment down below what tutorials you guys want to see next on my YouTube channel. Once again, just want to say thank you for 18,000 subscribers, guys. We're halfway there already towards 19,000, and then at that point, we're only 1,000 away from 20,000 subscribers. So yeah, just thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you guys did, smash the like button like I mentioned already. And as always, you guys, I hope you guys have an amazing day. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Someone that's afraid to let go. Decide if you ever